welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about hair extensions. You guys know I love hair extensions. I just took off my tape-ins not too long ago. I did have tape-in extensions. Really like those extensions. If you guys didn't watch the video, I'll put it up here somewhere. But these clip-ins, I'm a huge fan of clip-ins because I can just take them off. I can style them. I can wash my hair. I just love clip-in extensions. I've been wearing clip-in extensions for a long time now, like 5+ years. I'm sure you guys have seen the newer extensions that are seamless. So these are the seamless ones. This is what they look like. It's a silicone base. They kind of remind me of the tape-ins, of how thin they are and how flat they lay on the head, which I fell in love with. So they're very, very flat, and they do have clips. So you can remove them, you can put them on whenever you want, and they're just very seamless. I like these extensions a lot. These are the jet black ones. I believe they're like 20 to 22 inches. They're perfect if you have thin and fine hair. My hair is normally on the thicker side, but since I did get the tape-ins, she thinned out my hair a little bit. So right now, since I got so used to all that hair, I feel like my hair is really thin, but these work out for me. They are a lot thinner than regular clip-ins. Like, you can feel it. They're lightweight. They're so flat. Each weft has less hair than the regular clip-ins, but that's why they're perfect for fine and thinning hair. And all of the wefts are the same size. There's no other wefts that are thicker. Like the classic sets, they have like thicker weft, like it has more hair than the regular ones, but these are all the same. They're just the same thickness. All of the clips are the same thickness, and they are all silicone with the clips. I don't know how many pieces are in this set. I believe it's about 10 or so. I'm not even sure how many I use. I don't use all of them because I don't need to use all of them. Even though this hair is thinner, you would think you need more wefts, but honestly, I don't really use them all. I use about 8, I think. But I'm gonna see right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I put these in and what I do to style my hair, because right now my hair is just air dried. My natural hair is about, it's a little bit past my armpit. Yeah, it's a little bit past my armpit. It's growing. I'm taking vitamins, but I still feel like I need more hair. And it's crazy because these are meant for like thinner, finer hair, but it definitely works out with my hair. I feel like it looks very natural. I get a lot of compliments on them. I'm going to show you guys the 3 products that I use for my hair. This one is by Eva NYC or Eva NYC. This is a 10-in-1 primer. You can find this at Costco, I believe. I'm not sure where else. But I really like this because it preps my hair. It protects my hair from the heat. I let it air dry today so you guys can see what I do if it's not blow dried. I do have my straightening iron on. This has been like my favorite straightening iron for like many years. It's by Vanity Planet. I'll put a link down below. I think I may have a coupon code for this. I really like this straightening iron. I curl my hair with it, so I want to show you guys how I do that. And right now I have it on the highest setting because my hair is pretty, you know, it needs a lot of heat. I can't style my hair with low heat. So what I'm going to do is just spray through my hair. I believe you're supposed to use this on wet hair. I'm not even sure, but I use it on wet and dry. And it smells amazing. You guys, this smells so good, and the spray bottle is really good. It just shoots. So I just sprayed that through my hair, and I'm just gonna brush it out. I have like my little girl comb right here that I have in my purse. I normally like to carry a brush in my purse. This to tease the roots. That way I can just clip in the hair and it lasts all day. I even slept in this hair before and it still stayed put. I really like that about this hair. It's just very seamless. It doesn't hurt if you go to sleep with it by accident. It doesn't poke your head. It feels very flat. It stays in your hair and it just looks beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see how I style my hair. So I'm going to part the bottom of my hair with my thumbs and leave out like this much. And I'm going to tie the rest of my hair. Now I do it this way because I feel like it's the quickest way. So then after that I part the piece from the bottom in half. And I'm going to just brush through it real quick. I don't even need to because it's detangled. Now I'm going to take my straightening iron. I'm going to just run the iron through it and then twist out and curl it. Like that. And it just curls. And then same to the other side. Bam! Okay, now I'm going to take a 2-clip weft and my teasing comb. Just tease the bottom. And I'm literally going to do this throughout my whole head. The only thing I do want to say about these extensions is when you are placing them on your head, when you're clipping them in, you want to make sure that it's not like this, because you're gonna feel that on the back of your head. You want to make sure that when you place it, it's stretched out and hugs your head, because that way it's flat. You don't want to clip them in too close to each other, because it's gonna leave that like that little bump and it's uncomfortable. So I do want to say that with these extensions, you want to make sure you're putting them on properly. So I know that the 2-clip weft is gonna fit on the bottom part of my head because it's smaller. So I just clip it in and clip it in. Okay, so I clipped it in, and then I'm gonna bring the hair and curl it with a straightening iron. It should give you a nice bouncy curl. I'm going to tease it, and I'm using the thinner side of this brush because the teeth get wider here. Just tease, 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 and I'm only teasing on 2 sides because I am placing another 2-clip weft, and then I'm just going to curl it. So I'm going to part it again, and I'm going to place a 3-clipped weft. Clipped in everything I needed to clip in the back, and now I have all this hair right here to cover the clips, but I'm gonna part my hair like right here, and I'm gonna put a 2-clip weft. So I'm gonna tie this back up. Now these extensions do come with like the 1-clip weft, but I don't really need it. I mean, I know some people do. Look how crazy I look. So I literally just clip it in, but not too close to my face. I think that's fine. And then I let my hair go, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. We have all of our clips on. I'm going to part my hair in the middle because that's where I normally part my hair. And I'm just gonna style it with the straightening iron, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Alright guys, so I finished styling my hair. I am going to apply 2 products to my hair, and this product I've been using for a long time. It's the coconut milk anti-breakage serum by Organics, and I'm only taking a tiny bit, rubbing it through my hands. I'm going to apply this all over, but mainly on my natural hair to add that beautiful shine. This is a John Frieda Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream, which is perfect for flyaways, and I take a little bit of that as well, and mainly focus it on my hair too. Now you could do this before, but I like to do it at the very end so everything blends easier together. And I'll put some on the extensions, and everything's shiny and pretty, but not greasy. It's just a healthy shine. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like my hair to look healthy and shiny and not dry, especially with black hair. It just looks really healthy. So those are the products that I use on my hair and my hair extensions, but it looks very natural. It looks like it's all of my hair. I love this hair a lot. I feel like it just blends in so perfect with my natural hair, especially that it is on the thinner side. It looks really, really good. I love these clip-ins. It just feels like I have nothing on. I mean, I feel them, but it's not like regular clip-ins, you know? Like the regular clip-ins, if somebody gives you a hug and touches your head, they're gonna know you're wearing clip-ins, but these are very seamless and very flat. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting my hair extensions on. But I did want to show you guys the extensions that I was wearing at the moment because you guys were asking me on my Instagram, and I was able to show you guys the products that I'm using as well because a lot of you guys have been asking me on Instagram as well. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.